So as we checked in, the kiosk said our flight was delayed. Check the monitor and find out how much we're delayed. Do have pre-check, so that's good. Just means we'll wait longer in the airport, I guess. Additional opportunity to gamble. Oh, that one says it's on time. I don't know. Up to security. Anyway, we're headed to C11. Looks like our flight is delayed about 10 minutes, so maybe stop and get something to eat. Perhaps gamble more. I'm kind of gambled out. I'm ahead. First time in many trips I've been hundreds ahead, which is nice. So, for me. If you're wondering, this is a Tuesday in Vegas. Anyway, we're at C11 waiting for our airplane, and way early, but had to check out of the hotel at 11. Flight's at 2:30. Hang out at the airport. All right, so I think I'm going to put my GoPro up by the window and do a time lapse of the airplane arrival. Not a very pretty day in Vegas. Yeah, there's nothing to see outside, but I was able to get my not iPad connected to Southwest Wi-Fi. So let's take a look and see what is available. Okay, so the bumps have started to level out, which is nice. This old dude got up. I'm afraid he's vomiting in the toilet right now. That'd be awful if he is. So you can do $8 internet. Free texting. I don't think I can text out of my Kindle Fire here. Watch free movies. The Marvels. Everything I've heard about that says it's terrible. Still some movie selections. And it's Tuesday afternoon, so I'm not thinking there's a whole lot on TV either. News, Big Bang Theory, news, hometown, Vanderpump, I have no idea what that is. Sports Center, some old football, more news, and that's it. Let's check the flight tracker, that's probably the best part of the app. Let's check our altitude. Supposed to cruise at 38, so we're on our way up. A little more than an hour. Also free TV series, free music, and of course something from the CEO. I think I'm going to stick with the flight tracker. Snack time as soon as the flight attendants are released, I believe. So that should be next. Looks like we cleared the turbulence above the tops. Or above the cloud deck, I guess. I don't know. Throttling back. Ooh, passing traffic. Like a flare. Typical snack time at Southwest. Drink, snack mix. It's got pretzels and stuff in it, so I can't have that. So I'm having that to my wife. But I switched to my phone because I just want to play something simple. Nothing on the non-iPad looked that interesting. None of the movies look very fun, so can't finish them. Not enough time for that. So just planes control today, and I picked water because I'm super dry, parched. Vegas was quite fun. Feeling very dehydrated though, so it's important. Stay hydrated out there, my friends. Looks like it's going to be a nice day at home. Very different than Vegas.
behalf of this flight for Southwest Airlines, we'd like to welcome you to Boise. Please remain seated with those seatbelts fastened, seatbacks, tray tables, and the pull-up ring locked. The ship once and pull up to the gate. The captain turns off that fasten seatbelt sign. Please be careful on opening overhead bins as items may have shifted and can pull out. With the termination of this flight number, so please check around. Make sure you have all your belongings. Once you exit the aircraft, you're not allowed to re-enter to retrieve those items, so please make sure you have all those personal items. And you know you have any choice when you fly. We'd like to thank you for choosing us here at Southwest Airlines. Welcome to Boise.